Hello everyone! Welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. And because it's the season to be jolly, today I'm gonna show you how to turn your favorite veggies into 6 super easy and budget-friendly side dishes to pair with your roasted chicken or turkey. We will be making pan-grilled asparagus, sugar-glazed carrots, crunchy roasted potatoes, garlicky green beans, sauteed Brussels sprouts with streaky bacon, and potato and egg salad. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. So let's prepare our ingredients. Peel and trim off the ends of baby carrots. Trim the bottom tough part of the asparagus. Using the vegetable peeler, shave off the thick outer layer of the skin. You may skip peeling off the asparagus as long as you will trim the woody ends. Trim off the ends and remove the outer leaves of 200 grams Brussels sprouts. You may also cut it into half if you wish to. When buying the sprouts, just make sure they are firm and green and there's no browning. Remove the ends of the green beans. You can either snap it with your hands or fingers or trim it using the knife. Using the vegetable peeler, peel the potatoes and cut them into quarters. Submerge it in cold water to prevent browning. I will be using 610 grams for roasting and 390 grams for the salad. To roast our potatoes, first, let's preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Pour the cold water into a pot and season it with enough salt. Transfer the potatoes into the pot and turn the heat to high. Make sure to drop the potatoes in a pot while the water is still cold. This will even out its cooking. And while waiting for the potatoes to cook, in a pan, pour the olive oil, butter, and because I wanted to infuse garlic into this oil, so I'm adding 5 cloves of garlic. Cook the garlic until golden brown. Remove it from the pot or pan and turn off the heat. After 8 to 10 minutes of boiling, drain the water from the potatoes. Put the lid on and shake it over a bit. While it's still hot, transfer it to the baking pan and pour the hot olive oil and butter. Bake it for 45 minutes and flip it twice while cooking to even out the browning. Remove from the oven and transfer to a bowl or plate. For the sugar-glazed carrots, boil the carrots in water with salt for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from the water and transfer it to a bowl with ice-cold water to prevent further cooking. And for our glaze, in a pan, add the butter, star anise, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Melt the butter and sugar and add the carrots. Cook it until caramelized and carrots are tender. Remove from the heat and transfer to a plate. Fry the streaky bacon until crispy. Remove from the pan, chop it into small bits and set aside. On the same pan, stir-fry the Brussels sprouts on high heat for 2 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium and add the chopped garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Pour 2 tablespoons of water and cover for 3 minutes. Add the spring onions and bacon, cover it again for 3 minutes, remove from the heat and transfer it to a bowl. Again, on the same pan, melt 20 grams of butter, add the green beans, turn the heat to high, and leave the beans for 3 to 4 minutes or until slightly charred. Toss it and add chopped garlic. Reduce the heat to low and cook it until tender and garlic has browned. Remove it from the heat. You may add more garlic if you prefer. In a bowl, combine diced cut potatoes, chopped eggs, Japanese mayonnaise, pickled relish, Dijon mustard, grated Parmesan cheese, and season it with salt and pepper. Combine it well and transfer to a bowl. You may serve it right away or refrigerate it before serving. In a plate, drizzle the asparagus with melted butter, olive oil, and season with salt. Toss it to coat well. Preheat the grill pan and add the asparagus. You should hear the sizzling sound. Grill it for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Season with pepper. Asparagus should be slightly charred or brown on both sides. Transfer the cooked vegetables to a plate. Now I'm gonna serve this along with my roasted chicken. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays. Bye bye.